Lamborghini Aventador. I really love this satin silver paint right here, carbon fiber hood, gloss black bumpers. Again, it's completely dropped to the ground, but I really like the color. It stands out. Pretty nice wheels, carbon ceramic brakes with red calipers, gloss black side skirts all the way up here, carbon fiber vents, red interior with carbon fiber and black top of the dashboard. Gloss black details right here, and this is the glorious naturally aspirated V12 with these really cool colorful tubes going around here, and then of course the huge carbon fiber wing. Alright, here you have a list of the modifications and the price in